Every small business owner dreams of crossing that coveted $1 million in sale. But it's not just about the $1 million. It's about creating a sustainable and thriving business. And today, let's talk about the three pivotal pillars that you absolutely need to build to scale your business to and beyond that $1 million mark. Let's look at how I arrived at these three central pillars. It's going to be an important one. Here's a small secret. I enlisted the help of AI. Now, AI is a great tool, but the essence of this comes from my personal journey with three diverse businesses that I've owned, both in franchising and startup. Two of these businesses have gone past the $1 million mark and are now generating multi-billion-dollar revenue streams for me, which I'm absolutely grateful for. So I took my experience in running these businesses and built a matrix in which we meticulously laid down every fundamental facet of a business and listed the dependencies for each of these fundamentals. I then asked AI to sift through this matrix that we've just created to distill these dependencies even further. Now, what emerged were the core criteria, if you will, the underpinnings that each of that dependency rested upon. That's how we managed to condense a plethora of different business steps into three really important pillars. First one is going to be sales. Now, I know that's a common one, but the cornerstone of any business is its sales strategy. It's not merely about selling. Okay, it's about creating value. It's about understanding your market and fostering relationships with your customers. It's funny, did you know that a mere 5% increase in customer retention can increase a company's profitability by 75%? Understanding the power behind that statistic alone can completely change your business and how you see your business. Having a robust sales process is like having a roadmap. It guides every lead that you bring into your business through a journey, eventually culminating into a sale. But remember, every sale is the beginning of a relationship, okay? It's not the end. This relationship begins way before the sale happens. And that is from the moment the customer hears about you or your company. Let's go to the second one. The second pillar is going to be teams. Behind every successful business is a team that's driven, that's motivated, and most importantly, is aligned with your vision as the boss. Your team is your business's backbone. Okay, companies that promote a collaborative environment where people work with each other are 5 times as likely to be high-performing companies. Now, that's just not a number. It's really a reflection of reality, and I see that in my business on a day-to-day basis. Investing in your team, nurturing a culture of learning, and also fostering an environment of open communication are not just buzzwords that you hear on the internet. As a boss, you can implement them. They are necessities. And remember, a motivated team doesn't just meet targets. They literally set the new benchmarks. If you have the right team in place in your business, you will get to the $1 million mark sooner rather than later. Okay? Again, from experience, I can tell that that is very true. Number 3 is going to be the unsung hero in any successful business, and that is systems. Yes, systems is so important. A streamlined system is the bedrock of efficiency in your business. And did you know that businesses that leverage CRM softwares, they see a sales increase by 29% versus if they weren't using one? That's the power of having robust systems in place. And really, that's just one tool that I'm talking about. Systems encapsulate your workflows, your processes, your customer interactions. Every single operational facet, they work from there. And a good system doesn't just solve problems. It actually anticipates them before they happen. It's about creating a seamless tapestry of operations that drive sales and empower your team. Again, it's feeding the power of one pillar to support the other $1 million generating pillar that you have in your business, or really any business that wants that success has. So as we thread the needle through sales, team, and systems, the picture becomes pretty clear, doesn't it? The journey to $1 million in sales is not a sprint. It's a marathon. It's a slow race, a mix of selling with purpose, cultivating team synergy, and a commitment to systems. Okay? The magic happens when these three pillars work in harmony, propelling your business into the $1 million league and, of course, beyond as you grow. This isn't just about reaching a milestone, it's about building a legacy, your legacy. And I know that I got into business for that. With the right strategies in place, that $1 million won't just be a dream. It's going to become a reality, a tangible, achievable reality. And remember, the journey of $1 million begins with a single sale, a motivated team, and a robust system. I know it can sound cliche, but it really is. Thank you for tuning in. If you found value in the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe so you can get notifications whenever we come out with more insightful discussions just like this one. Until next time, here's to your success on the road to $1 million and beyond.